videos. Today we're making homemade KFC in the oven. The ingredients for this recipe are as follows: 6 to 12 chicken fillets or pieces, 3 to 4 tablespoons sunflower oil, 300 milliliters of buttermilk, 2 cups of flour, 2/3 tablespoons salt, half a tablespoon thyme, half a tablespoon basil, a third tablespoon oregano, 1 tablespoon celery salt, 1 tablespoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon dry mustard, 4 tablespoons paprika, 2 tablespoons garlic salt, half a tablespoon ground ginger, and 2.5 tablespoons white pepper. Start by cutting the chicken fillets into slightly smaller pieces, like so. Once that's done, get a container and place them in. Then, pour the buttermilk over them. Put the lid on and give it a shake to make sure it all gets covered. Then, put it in the fridge for a few hours or ideally overnight. Then, in a bowl, add 2 cups of flour, 2/3 tablespoons salt, half a tablespoon thyme, half a tablespoon basil, a third tablespoon oregano, 1 tablespoon celery salt, 1 tablespoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon dry mustard, 4 tablespoons paprika, 2 tablespoons garlic salt, half a tablespoon ground ginger, and 2.5 tablespoons of white pepper. Once that's all added, mix it together until it's all mixed in. Then, take the chicken out of the fridge and coat it in the mixture. Around 7 rotations per piece is ideal. Once they're all covered, get a tray and some baking paper. Put 3 to 4 tablespoons of sunflower oil on it and try even it out so it's all across the tray. Then, preheat it in the oven for around 6 minutes at 200 degrees. Then, take it out and place your chicken pieces on the tray. Try and ensure there's oil underneath or around each piece. Then, place the tray in the oven for 24 minutes, flipping the chicken halfway. Once that's done, take it out the oven and it should be ready to serve and eat.